Hello, good evening, everyone. You are most welcome to MS English Academy, a good platform to improve and develop your English. Today, we have come up with another session of English speaking practice. We have number of students of MS English Academy, number of sisters who have improved their English throughout 1.5 months. We'll see how they have developed their English, their communication skills. So, just to check their their communication skills, their improvement, we are going to record this program. And the topic of today's program is going to be offline class versus online class, which is the best option for us, and what should be our choice if we are given choice between online class and offline class, which could be the better for us. Okay, for this question I would like to ask the students of MS English Academy. Here we have number of students. I'll ask them to just introduce themselves one by one. Okay, first of all, tell us your name, everyone.
My name is Rubina Hassan.
Just you.
My name is Muskan Anjum.
My name is Mohammadi.
My name is Umme Kulsum.
My name is Zainat Firdos.
My name is Adiba Mariam.
Okay, thank you very much for your brief introduction, your name. Okay, so today I'm going to ask the main question, that is, which is the best option, offline class or online class, and why? Please give a reply with a valid reason. Okay, first of all, Rubina Hassan.
Thank you, sir. I think offline class is better. Offline class has many benefits and many advantages than online class. Like if we join offline class, we can see body language of our teacher.
Of course.
And body language is the best way to understand everything.
Yes.
So we can see in offline class body language of our teacher, but in online class we can't see that,
Yes.
because the teacher and students both are focus on camera.
Yes.
So we can't see the body language of teacher, and teacher can't do that body language,
Yes.
because she is also on focusing on camera.
Yes, they can do, but not as like offline. They can do little bit,
Yes. But
not like the offline class.
yes. And second thing, offline class is better because it has no disturbance. Like in online class we have many problems, like network problem,
Yes.
and video problem, voice problem,
Yes.
many problems.
Yes.
So in offline class we can't see that.
Yes.
So, and in offline class we can ask many questions from our teacher.
Yeah, directly without any gap.
Without any gap, we can connect our teacher without any gap. But in online class we can't do many things.
Yes.
Like this.
Yes. Yes.
So I think offline class is better
Yes.
than online class. But I want to say online class is also better in emergency.
Yes.
Like lockdown time, and when we want to learn anything, but we can't reach the teacher, or the teacher can't reach us.
Yes.
So we can join online class.
Yes.
So we can join online class. In online class we can learn any person, any teacher. So it is also correct, but in emergency it is better.
Yes. Okay. Very nice discussion, and number of points she has highlighted. Every point is to be noted. Fantastic reply, and I congratulate her because her English is mashallah getting developed, improved, and also she has just listed number of reasons and valid reasons, everything. I think that's the number of points which have been highlighted, point to be noted. Every point is to be noted. Okay, the same question I would like to ask Adiba Mariam. Adiba, what's your opinion regarding this particular question and what do you think?
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
According to me, sir, offline class is best, sir, because it has many advantages. I'll tell you one by one.
Yes.
Point number 1. In offline class, there will be no gap between teacher and students. There will be direct contact between teacher and students. And teacher can teach in good manners and student can understand in good manners. Point number 2. In offline class, there will be no technical problem like network problem, voice problem, video problem, camera problem, and many things.
Yes.
But in online class, they will have many problems.
Yes.
Point number 3. In offline class, teacher can have full focus on students.
Of course.
Point number 5.
4.
Point number 4. In offline class, students can have more. In offline class, students can full focus on studies.
Yes. Yes.
Full focus on studies, and teacher would more attention on students. Point number 5. Sometime in offline class, in online class, sometime student says, ma'am, I am not have network, please, so postpone the class. And sometime teacher says, I am not have network.
Don't have, yes.
I don't have network, so postpone the class. In online class, they'll have many disturbance.
So do you mean there is a discipline in offline class?
Yes, sir.
In offline class, discipline.
Yes, sir. But I am not saying online class is not better. Online class is also better. But sometime, for some time in emergency, for example, in lockdown, school is not working, but online class is working.
Yes.
And the teacher is, and if the teacher is outsider, and or we cannot go to schools and classes, we worked in online class, sir.
Yes.
So online class is also better, sir, but offline class is best, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Every point highlighted by Adiba Mariam is outstanding. And I agree with all of your points. The two main points she has highlighted, that number 1 is the teacher and trainer has complete focus on students in offline class, which is not there in online class, because the teacher has complete focus and his determination, his just complete focus and intention is on camera, not on the students like the class. But in offline class, the teacher and trainer principal has complete focus on all the students while teaching, which is the best thing in offline class. And second thing she has highlighted, second point is, in offline class there is a discipline. The time, place, group, everything is in disciplined manner, which is not in online class. We don't know whether the student is all prepared for class or just in rush manner she has just sat down. We don't know exactly what is the position of student. Is he prepared or not? Is he has a notebook along with him or not? He said, yes sir, I have joined. Trainer says, yes, you have joined, we will start. But in offline class, everything is clear, whether a student has notebook or not, pen he has or not. So 2 points Adiba has highlighted fantastically. Now I'll go to
Thank you, sir. I see offline class is always best because it has many advantages. I will tell you one by one. First point, a teacher could pay more on students.
more attention.
Attention students. Second point, teacher put an eye on every student.
Oh, nice point. Yes.
If you have a small doubt, you can ask it to your friend who is sitting beside you.
Next to you, yes.
Student would focus more on studies.
Yes, yes. Nice questions. Claps for Umesh also. Nice points. Okay. Okay, what do you think, sister? What's your opinion?
Thank you, sir. My opinion, offline class is always best because there are many advantages. In offline class, there are direct contact between student and teacher. Because there are any problem in online class, for example, network problem, voice problem, and all other problem, the teacher can focus very well on the children, but not focus in online. Thank you, sir.
Wow, mashallah. Okay, all in all, offline class is the best option always. And if we have two option of between option online class and offline class, I would like to prefer. I would like to go for offline class. And everybody, I have seen and you have told offline class is the best option. Okay, thank you very much. Today's discussion was fantastic, awesome, and I'm so much happy and glad that all of you are telling something, you are improving your English. I hope inshallah in upcoming days you will be speaking just like native speakers. Okay, thank you very much, and I hope all of you have enjoyed our discussion. I would like to request all of you, please just watch our videos and improve your English. Like the videos, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.